Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'll be making pasta salad today. So I'll begin by boiling the pasta. I have some water here, so I'll bring it to a boil and then introduce the pasta. So to this boiling water, I'm adding some salt. Now I'm adding the pasta, making little quantities. Cook. So as the pasta is cooking, I'll go ahead to chop some of the veggies I'll be using. These carrots, and it's for a bit of color and crunchiness. So I'm slicing off the bell pepper. I think I'm okay with this. So I'm slicing up the celery I'm using. I'm just adding this for a bit of flavor. I'll also add little parsley. This will do. I won't add everything. Alright. So our pasta is ready to be mixed. Actually, I'm sorry I didn't carry you guys along in the cooking process. It's very easy now, very simple how to boil pasta. Just check out for the instruction on the pack now. That's it. It didn't even take up to 10 minutes. I boiled this for about 8 minutes and then I rinsed off with cold water to stop cooking food. So I'll be using 3 eggs. I have to line this cotton ball because I don't want this egg to mess up everything. Alright, so this way This is how I am going to throw it into the salad. I don't want to touch egg that much. So we are making the cream now. I'm using Bama, putting this is tablespoon, Adi. 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little salt, black pepper,
What's he saying, bro?
black pepper. So at this point, we have to stir everything together. Guys, I'm adding more mayonnaise. Then that means I have to adjust this. So I'm adding extra sugar. Little more black pepper. I just look at the pasta I have, like it's somehow big. So after mixing up all these, I will reduce it. So I'm bringing out this. Then after mixing up the pasta, the veggies, and there is need to add up. We go in with little pepper, little carrots, little onion. This is our celery. I'm mixing bit by bit so that everything will be distributed evenly. So we go again, adding the last part of the carrots, our celery, our bell pepper, some onion. In fact, everything is going in now. Our egg. Hey guys, this is so sweet. Ow. Just try this. We'll be making it every day. Trust me. It's so delicious. The black pepper, the celery, the onion, they release this sweet flavor. Like, The taste is heavenly. Fish salad or pasta salad, whichever one you want to call it, is ready to be enjoyed. Let me have some more. Mmm, this is too good. Oh my god. So this is shredding. This is parsley. I'll just drop it on top. This is already sweet. But to finish work, like to finish everything, you have to leave it to rest in the fridge for, even if you can leave it overnight. If you know you're eating it tomorrow, you can make it today and leave it in the fridge, like so that the whole flavor will get into the pasta so much more. You will enjoy it, and you can enjoy it with grilled chicken, grilled or fried chicken, fish, whatever protein of your choice. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Like, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for always supporting this channel. Please drop your comments and also share this video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.